Hello, Professor. This is Sangram Vamshi Polkam. I'm going to tell about the smart trolleys. This is my final project. Uh, Coming to the introduction, the study aims to apply the unique innovation skills and knowledge in the supermarket, right? This can help to identify technology project ideas that will evaluate the potential business idea by using deep learning algorithms. To introduce smart trolleys by the use of deep learning algorithms in the supermarket. My first objective is to do this to develop a commercialization strategy with smart innovation process and to promote business opportunities by using deep learning algorithms and to identify project requirements which need to include project ideas and value propositions through the market research process and to determine the risks and issues of deep learning algorithm enabled smart trolleys. Coming to the next slide, the related work. The deep learning enabled smart trolley needs to include a flexible design to attract the customer to use the product. The user interface of smart trolleys is an integrated part that helps to meet the requirements of the customer and produce a positive shopping experience. The user interface of the deep learning enabled smart trolley needs to connect with the database that stores beneficial data of customers. It needs to easy to move ahead and turn around. The smart trolley needs to fit with a security tracking device to secure customer data effectively. The user interface of the smart trolley needs to be able to connect with the central database to browse a variety of items. The deep learning enabled smart trolleys needs to be designed with 4 wheels and it needs to be easy to handle. Coming to this is the picture of smart trolley, and here we see the tracking device and hand braille facility. The product scanner will be there, and the wheels, there should be 4 wheels as I already mentioned, and a portable device power supply with weighing LCD display is fitted to this smart trolley. Coming to the next slide, the proposed method. Here, the qualitative method of analysis has also been helpful in analysis of different concepts of consumer experience that could be enriched using the introduction of smart trolleys at grocery stores and airports, among other places. The inductive approach has been used for this to learn about the effectiveness of deep learning technology in the development of smart trolleys. The interpretative philosophy has been applied to this research by employing perspectives and research and opinion of different researchers. This is the Python program that I have written. Here, this is the output where we must fill the items. The filled items will be placed in the brackets. Coming to the code for the implementation, this is the code for implementation. Coming to the algorithm, the necessary code that has been written over here is in Python language, right? In the first step of the code, 2 libraries have been imported. One is NumPy library and the other one is CV2 library. Often people face problems in importing the CV2 library. So in that case, they can use the command pip install CV2 and then do the necessary tasks. Here an alternative name has been provided for these libraries with the help of alias system. For NumPy, it is taken as NP, and for the CV2, it is taken as C. When in code, a certain mathematical calculation is to be used or worked on the NumPy function is used. Also, to use the multidimensional array in the code, this function is used. Most of the difficult tasks, like regression, are done with the help of this library. Coming to the next slide. Here the step 1. The main code has been developed by the following steps mentioned. The first step is to import an operating system with the help of command p open brackets. It is used as it creates a link between the two types of codes used here. One of them is the code used to call, and the other one which gets executed. Next, a variable has been taken called cap, which works along with the CV2 library to capture videos. Here, a while loop will run on the basis of this video that this is to be captured through CV2. Due to this loop, the value of the output will be true. If it is true, the two entities are observed, one frame and another relational ratio. The relational ratio is used to read the total variable, and then the image or video capture is to be judged based on their color. Here, the steps the second part. So the background color will be a variable for one of the frames. It will also denote the actual color of the frame. In the first step, there is another function which will be shown with the help of CV2 called inShow. This function decides on the way to picture or the video or the frame will be showcased. The next function used is CV2 inWrite. This function helps in obtaining the necessary input as an output in the form of PNG file. Before getting this output, the necessary code has to be printed to check if they are running properly or if they have any such errors. Another condition which is applied here, it is that if the CV2 function waits for a certain period of time, maybe a few seconds or minutes, then it will destroy the function automatically by using the CV2 function. Thus, the ultimate picture captured is the real outcome of the total code. Coming to the result that has been obtained is in the form of PNG file, which means that this is an image. While catching a variable, a video is to be captured. The declaration of the frame or its background color is done after the capturing of the video. So these things cannot be showcased in video itself. That is why the output is in the form of PNG format. The name of the output that has been considered here is bar.png, followed by that a particular read line that has to be developed. This read line is nothing but the main explanation of the output image that has been captured. So there are two main outcomes of this project. The first one is the analysis of the background color and a frame given as input to the image captured, and finally receiving it in the form of PNG file. The second one is to read the description mentioned in the outcome of the PNG file that has to be obtained. So these two outputs play a very important role in the whole code, and it is comparison to the expected results that could be received. The reading function is mainly the description or heading mentioned by the programmer for the output. Coming to the future aspects of smart trolleys, there are a lot of scopes for this technology to function. Usually, it has to be used in smart cart or smart trolley. These trolleys are highly in demand in various retail megastores like Walmart, like other stores. Mainly in the Kroger, they're about to develop, they're about to use that smart trolleys. And the main idea behind having such a trolley, smart trolley or cart. Such items are required to make sure that the billing and the scanning of the items are done automatically without any human help. This technology helps in developing the scanning technology and improve it in case of the smart trolleys or and carts. Also, the images and videos collected from the carts and trolleys are better. These trolleys are the next big thing of the future to change the total shopping experience of human beings. Right, so it can be said that this project and the code that's developed is very useful for developing more and more such smart trolleys or carts. Also, making them cheaper can help them many more supermarket companies to use them. Thank you for giving me an opportunity. Thank you very much, sir.